Hey, Emma. Good morning. How are you today?
Hey, John. Good morning. I'm good. A little sleepy, but good. How about you?
Same here. I had coffee, but I think I need one more cup.
Yeah, one cup is never enough. Did you sleep okay?
Yeah, I did. I went to bed kind of late, though. I was watching videos online and forgot the time.
Oh no, that always happens. You say just one more video and then it's midnight.
Exactly. But it's okay. I'm happy to be here talking with you.
Me too. I like these talks. They feel calm and friendly.
Yeah, like two friends just chatting.
Speaking of chatting, today's topic is something I really like.
Oh, what is it?
Ordering food at a restaurant.
Oh, I love that topic. And I love food.
Same. Food makes life better.
Totally. Okay, but before we start, let's introduce ourselves, just in case someone is new.
Good idea. Okay. Hi, everyone. My name is Emma. I'm from the United States. I like cooking, talking, and eating good food.
And hi, everyone. I'm John. I'm also from the United States. I like coffee, walking, and trying new restaurants.
Nice. Okay, now let's talk about ordering food at a restaurant. A very useful topic.
Yes, very useful, especially for people learning English.
Exactly. Many people feel nervous ordering food in English.
I understand that. Even in my own language, sometimes I feel shy in a restaurant.
Me too, especially in a new place.
So let's start simple. Imagine you walk into a restaurant.
Okay, I walk in, I look around, I see tables and people eating.
Right. And usually someone talks to you first.
Yes, a host or a server.
They often say, "Hi, how many people?"
That's a common question. How many people?
And you can say, "One, please," or "Two, please."
Or just me if you are alone.
Good one. Then they say, "Right this way," and you follow them.
You sit down, you look at the table, you relax a little.
Yes, you take a deep breath.
Then the server comes again.
They often say, "Hi, my name is Sarah. I'll be your server today."
Or, I'll be taking care of you today.
And they usually ask, "Can I get you something to drink?"
That's the first big question.
Yes, drinks come first.
So, what do you usually order, John?
I usually order water first.
Me too. Water is easy.
Sometimes I say, "Can I have water, please?"
Or just water is fine.
Very simple, very polite.
Sometimes I order coffee or tea too.
Right. You can say, "Can I have a coffee?" Or, "I'd like some tea."
And if you don't want ice, you can say, "No ice, please."
Or if you want ice, you don't need to say anything.
True. In the US, ice is everywhere.
Everywhere. Too much ice sometimes.
Yes. Okay, so after drinks, the server usually gives you menus.
Yes, you take the menu and look at it.
This part can be hard. Many words, many choices.
I know. Sometimes I feel hungry and confused.
Same. I read slowly. I look at pictures if there are pictures.
Pictures help a lot.
They really do. Okay, then the server comes back and asks,
Are you ready to order?
that question can feel scary.
Yes, but it's okay to say no.
You can say, not yet, or I need a few more minutes.
Or, can we have a little more time?
Very polite, very normal.
Servers hear that all the time.
Exactly, no problem at all.
When you are ready, the server comes again.
And they ask, what can I get for you?
Or, what would you like?
Then you order your food.
So let's do an example.
Okay, you be the customer.
All right. I'd like the chicken sandwich, please.
Nice, simple and clear.
Sometimes I add, with fries, please.
Good, or with a salad.
Yes, and if they ask questions, don't worry.
They might ask, how would you like it cooked?
That happens with meat.
Like steak.
They might say rare, medium, or well done.
That can be hard for beginners.
True, but you can always say well done, please.
That's the safest answer.
Yeah, no pink inside.
Another question they ask is, any allergies?
Important question.
If you have allergies, say, yes, I'm allergic to peanuts.
Or no allergies.
Very important for safety.
Okay, so you order, the server says,
Okay, I'll be right back with your food.
and you wait.
Waiting time.
This is when you talk to your friend.
Or look at your phone.
Or think about food.
Yes, I always think about food.
While waiting, the server may come and check on you.
They might say, how's everything so far?
You can say, everything is good, thank you.
Or, it's great.
If something is wrong, you can say it nicely.
Like, excuse me, this is cold.
Or, I think this is not what I ordered.
Being polite is important.
Servers want to help.
Exactly. Most of them are very kind.
Let's talk about personal stories.
Yes. Do you remember your first time ordering food?
I was a kid, but I remember ordering by myself for the first time.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I was maybe 10 years old. I was so nervous.
That's cute.
I practiced in my head. I said, I want a burger, over and over.
And how did it go?
I walked up, the server smiled. I said it too fast.
Oh, no.
I said, I want a burger, please.
Oh, no.
The server laughed a little and said, sure.
That's sweet.
After that, I felt proud.
That feeling is important.
Yes, ordering food can make you feel confident.
I have a story too.
Tell me.
I was traveling in another country. English was not common there.
Oh, wow.
I wanted food so badly.
Hunger is powerful.
I pointed at the menu, I smiled, I said simple words.
And
It worked. I got food and it was delicious.
that shows simple language works.
Yes, you don't need perfect English.
Just clear and polite.
Exactly.
Okay, let's talk about paying the bill.
Yes, at the end you finish eating,
You feel full, maybe happy.
or too full.
Then you want to pay.
You can say, "Can I get the check, please?"
Or can we have the bill?
Both are common.
The server brings the check.
You look at it.
You pay with cash or card.
In the US, tipping is common.
Yes, usually 15 to 20%.
That's important to know.
If you don't know, it's okay to ask.
You can ask, "Is service included?"
Good question. Then you pay, say thank you, and leave.
And you say, "Have a nice day."
Or, thank you, the food was great.
That makes the server happy.
Small words matter.
They really do. Okay, let's slow down and do a full mini conversation.
Great idea.
I'll be the server, you be the customer.
Okay,
Hi, how many people?
just one please.
Right this way.
Thank you.
Here's the menu. Can I get you something to drink?
Water please.
Sure, I'll be right back.
Waiting?
Are you ready to order?
Yes, I'd like the chicken salad please.
Great choice. Anything else?
No, that's all. Thank you.
Perfect.
See? Simple.
Very simple. Very real.
Beginners can do this.
Yes, practice helps a lot.
Practice out loud.
Even alone at home.
Talk to yourself.
It works.
I still do it sometimes.
Me too.
Okay, let's talk about emotions.
Yes, people feel nervous.
That's normal.
It's okay to make mistakes.
Servers hear many accents.
Many mistakes.
They don't mind.
They just want to understand you.
And help you eat. Food brings people together.
It really does. So, what's the takeaway today?
Ordering food in English is not scary.
Use simple words.
Be polite
Take your time.
and enjoy your food.
Yes, enjoy the moment.
Even mistakes can be funny stories later.
Like your, "I want a burger, please."
Exactly.
Thank you for this talk, John.
Thank you, Emma. I'm hungry now.
Me too. Maybe we should go eat.
Sounds like a plan.
Thanks everyone for listening.
Practice your English.
And don't be afraid to order food.
See you next time.
Bye.
Bye.